Hi everyone, my name is Ben Piper and welcome to my course, Cisco Enterprise Networks Implementing EIGRP. I'm the author of the CCNP Enterprise Certification Study Guide, Exam 350-401. In this course, you'll learn the fundamental concepts and skills you'll need to configure and troubleshoot EIGRP. In this course, you'll get hands-on experience learning about EIGRP operations, route filtering and summarization, mutual route redistribution between EIGRP and OSPF, modifying metrics to manipulate traffic flow, and EIGRP for IPv6. By the end of this course, you'll have a solid grasp of EIGRP fundamentals, and you'll be ready to move on to more advanced Layer 3 topics. Before beginning the course, you should have CCNA level skills. From here, you should feel comfortable diving into advanced routing courses on BGP and MPLS. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn all about EIGRP with the Cisco Enterprise Networks Implementing EIGRP course at Pluralsight.